Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will present assignment 2 English for Computer 2, oral explanation about item of computer, recommended application programs, and function and feature of input device. Before getting into the material that will be provided, let me introduce myself. My name is Gusnan Zendra Darmawan. My name is 41520010016, Informatic Engineering and Faculty of Computer Science. Here what I will discuss are three. The first is item of computer. The second is recommended application program. Finally, the third is function and feature of input device. Item of computers. The first is motherboard. A motherboard, also called mainboard, main circuit board, MB, M-board, backplane board, baseboard, system board, logic board, only in Apple computers or mobile, is the main printed circuit boards, PCB in general purpose computer and other expandable system. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. This is a thin plate that holds the CPU memory, connector for hard drive, and optical drive, expansion card to control video and audio, and connection to your computer ports, such as USB port. The motherboard is connected directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. The second is CPU or processor. The central processing unit, CPU, also called a processor, is located inside the computer. Cast on the motherboard, it is sometimes called the brain of the computer, and its job is to carry out command. Whenever you press a key, click the mouse, or start an application, you are sending instruction to the CPU. The CPU is usually 2-inch ceramic square with a silicon chip located inside. The chip is usually about the size of the thumbnail. The CPU fits into the motherboard CPU socket, which is covered by the heatsink, an object that absorbs heat from the CPU. A processor speed is measured in megahertz, or million of instructions per second, and gigahertz, or billion of instructions per second. A faster processor can execute instructions more quickly. However, the actual speed of the computer depends on the speed of many different components, not just the processor. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is your system short-term memory. Whenever your computer performs calculation, it temporarily stores the data in the RAM until it is needed. This short-term memory disappears when the computer is turned off. If you're working on the document, spreadsheet, or other type of file, you'll need to save it to avoid losing it. When you save a file, the data is written to the hard drive, which acts as long-term storage. RAM is measured in megabytes or gigabytes. The more RAM you have, the more things your computer can do at the same time. If you don't have enough RAM, you may notice that your computer is sluggish when you have several programs open. Because of this, many people add extra RAM to their computer to improve performance. Then the last one is hard drive. The hard drive is where your computer, document, and other files are stored. The hard drive is long-term storage, which means the data is still safe even if you turn the computer off or unplug it. When you run a program or open a file, the computer copy some of the data from the hard drive onto the RAM. When you save a file, the data is copied back to the hard drive. The faster the hard drive, the faster your computer then start up and load program. Next, recommended application program. The first is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is Microsoft source code editing software for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Visual Studio Code provides features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, code excerpts, code refactoring, and debugging and Git. The last is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a shareware cross-platform source code editor. It natively supports many programming languages and markup language. Users can extend their functionality with plugins, usually created by the community and maintained under a free software license. Next, function and feature of input device. Function and feature of input device. In computer science, the general meaning of input is to provide or give something to the computer. In other words, when a computer or device is receiving a command or signal from outer source, the event is referred to as input the device. The first is keyboard. Keyboards were designed to make the input of information simpler than the punch card system removal and reinsertion of card. When keyboards were first introduced, they start off using the same design, the QWERTY layout, as typewriters. While the QWERTY layout has some inherent disadvantage, it has persisted through the years due to its widespread use. Today, keyboards are slicker and far more visually appealing than their predecessor, but retain their primary layout and functionality. The second is mouse. A computer mouse is an input device whose function is to control the cursor in GUI, graphical user interface, such as pointing, moving, and selecting text, icon, files, and folder on your monitor screen. Then the last one is webcam. Is an input device that permits computer user to share a live recording of themselves or what is happening around them with others connected to the internet today. Webcams are primarily used to communicating between people. Maybe that's all I can say, more or less. Sorry and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.